Okay, so days ago, I got my order for the big Beauty Edit Volume 5 Beauty Vault bag. And I'm really happy with this purchase because I'm excited to open it. It has 35 beauty products, most of which are luxury brands. And guess what? I got this for only 6,500 pesos. So kudos to the Beauty Edit team. You always make women happy with your curated box, and this one's such a treat for myself this holiday season. And it's like a beauty advent calendar box, hence the box. So happy holidays to everyone. Cheers to us women. Let's see what's inside this beauty vault bag. I can see that there's a magazine inside, which is always with every curated box. And okay, so I wasn't able to order this one before November 27. That's why I don't have the free Shandong wine, or rather champagne, but it's okay, at least I have the vault bag. So there you go. It's like a mini luggage.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.